Okay, so then, this case that we have on here
We're on
now,
YouTube now.
we're on YouTube now. I believe this should be Mr. Oscar Lopez. Is that correct? Okay.
Yes,
let me
Judge.
pull up your- Let me pull up your paperwork, sir. 1 minute. Okay, are we live on YouTube, Debbie?
Yes, Judge, we are.
Mr. Lopez, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God? I can't hear you.
I do.
Okay, thank you. Put your hand down. Get closer to that screen if you need to so I can hear you. And so you can see the screen. Is your name Oscar Lopez?
Yes.
Are you the same Oscar Lopez who in this cause number 2025 CC 0000523, who's charged with the offense of theft of property of something having a value between $100 and $750? Is that you?
Yes.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 up to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plead by Video. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking now
Sure, did you log
at a
off?
document entitled Defendant's Waiver
I'll
of
find out.
Constitutional Rights.
Let me see right here.
And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor. If you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense,
Excuse me, Mr. West.
property of something having a value between $100 and $750, how do you plead, sir?
Content.
Not guilty or no contest?
No content.
Okay, if you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain, that's your lawyer got for you. Besides that, has anybody promised you something in
No.
order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you entering your plea then of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please decide it?
Yes, Your Honor, the agreement's for a $0 fine, court cost, 127 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Ms. Max Vasquez?
Yes, Judge.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Lopez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then, Mr. Lopez, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. Sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to, sorry, let me see. Is it 27 days? What was the record again, please?
127 days.
127 days.
You can go when you
Sentence you to 127 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Ms. Max Lopez? Yes.
I really hope so, Judge. We had another one taken into consideration last week at this felony, and as short of anything that I don't know about, these are the three that I was participating with. So I'm not sure. As far as I know, this is the last one.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, if this is the only case holding you, you should be released sometime today, okay?
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you, all right?
Thank
Take
you,
Thank you.
care.
Mr.
Appreciate it.
Lopez.
Thank
I'm
you.
sorry.
Thank you. Thank
We
you.
thought it was going to be done last week, Judge, but they had to go through the procedurals, which we understand.
That's fine.
so.
You can be excused. Thank you, Ms. Vasquez.
Thank-
Thank you,
Thank you,
guys.
Mr. Lopez. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, now, let me see,
From the basement, the first floor.
clear my screen a little bit. Let me get back to cleaning up, the PR docket. Sonia, you still with me?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
I'm signing Bedayes, which is a refusal.
Correct.
Downstairs.
Thank you.
Put that on mute so it doesn't bother me anymore.
But just to clarify, on the regular docket, Mr. Thomas Torres, we're not going to handle today.
I'm sorry, Jordan, can you let me finish please? Let me
Yes, of
finish what I'm
course.
doing.
Sorry.
I can't handle, going out of order very well.
No worries.
But I should be with you shortly on that. Okay, today is the.
You'll need to click to 4930
Okay. Go
along
for
with
it.
the
One-
4936.
God almighty. Okay. Jeez. Okay, I did that. Okay, now. I'm now doing. Let's see, Jimmy Vada refused. Okay. So this is the new Odyssey stuff, right? This is gonna drive me crazy.
Yes, it is.
With Harvard right now. I just you call those to be
I just did Vada. Okay, now. QIN is a reset. Oh, I'm sorry, Angelis. You should have been excused earlier, much earlier. Pardon me. I just
no
noticed. you.
worries, Judge. I wasn't sure if Jordan was still asking about the plea docket. All right, perfect.
Jordan,
And then
can
I
I
don't
excuse can I excuse the court reporter, or do you need her?
No, of course, Judge.
thank you so
Of
much.
course I can, and of course I can't.
Yes, of course you can. Of course,
Okay,
Angelis.
And then
okay,
just in case
Angelis,
Debbie, thank you,
go
Judge.
fiesta for us and have a good time, all right?
Thank you, Judge. I'll be staying away from the fiesta stuff, but
Yeah, well,
in
it's
case
not a
Debbie
good
needs
idea.
a reminder about YouTube,